Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter number 4, that is adjective, the describing word. Dear students, in this chapter we have read the definition of adjective as well as features of adjective. And we have also discussed the kinds of adjective. There are 5 kinds given in your book. That is adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, interrogative adjective and demonstrative adjective. Dear students, we have read all these things in detail. Today we will discuss one of the important topic, that is degree of comparison, degree of adjective. Okay students, I want to tell you that there are 3 degree of comparisons. 3 degree of comparison. First one is positive degree, second one is comparative degree, and third one is superlative degree. Okay, so today we will discuss an important topic, that is degree of comparison, or you can say degree of adjective. Okay, so just put the heading degree of adjective or degree of comparison. Just see degree of adjective. Just put the heading degree of adjective. Just put the heading degree of adjective. Dear students, there are 3 degree of adjective, that is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. But what is the use of degree? Dear students, we use the degree of comparison to show the quality, to show the to compare 2 things or more than 2 things. We use this degree to compare 2 people or 2 things, or more than 2 people or 2 things. And just see here what is there. We use degree of comparison. Just write down here what is degree of adjective. We use degree of comparison. Degree of comparison. Why? When we compare one person, when we compare one person or one thing with another, or one thing with another. Okay, just see here. We use degree of comparison when we compare one person or one thing with another. Okay, it means we use degree of comparison to compare things or to compare peoples. Okay, now we will see there are 3 kinds of degree of comparison. There are, just from the next line you write down, there are 3 degree of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison. Degree of comparison. P-A-R-I-S-O-N. Okay, there are 3 degree of comparison. First one is positive degree. First, second and third. There are 3 degree of comparison. First one is the positive degree. Okay students, just write down the positive degree. Second one is the comparative degree. Comparative. And third one is the superlative degree. The superlative degree. there are 3 degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Just see here and just write down also. There are 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. And why do we use degree of comparison? To compare two things or more than two things. Okay students, now we will discuss one by one all these 3 kinds of comparison, all these 3 degrees of comparison. Okay, just write down it. Then after, just put the heading the positive degree. I hope that you all have understood that why do we use degree of comparison. To compare. It is also known as degree of comparison, or we can also say degree of adjective. And now put the heading the positive degree. Put the heading the positive degree. First one is the positive degree. Positive degree. Dear students, I want to tell you orally first what is positive degree. Dear students, there is no comparison involved. There is no comparison with anyone. That is simply an adjective, you can say. Positive degree is the first degree of comparison, although there is no comparison at all. There is no comparison involved. That is simply an adjective. That is known as positive degree. In comparative degree, we use one thing, or we compare one person or one thing with another person or another thing. Here two peoples, two things are involved. Okay, in superlative degree we compare one thing with more than two things. We compare one person with more than two person. Okay, in just understand, try to understand here. In positive degree there is no comparison involved. In comparative degree there are two people, two things involved. In superlative degree there are more than two peoples and two things are involved. Okay, so just write down, then you can understand very well what is positive degree. Just write down here positive degree. Just put the heading positive degree, and in it you write down the adjective in its, the adjective in its simplest form is said to be in the positive degree. In the positive degree. Okay, just here the adjective in its simplest form is said to be in the positive degree. It describes only, just write down here, it describes only quality, it describes only quality that an object has, that an object, I'm going to erase this, just see, that an object has. And there is no comparison involved. and there is no comparison involved. Okay, students, just see here. In this degree, in the positive degree, it is the simplest form of adjective. It is simplest form. Okay? Therefore, that is known as positive degree. And it describes only the quality of an object. Okay? It describes the quality that an object has. It describes the quality as in the adjective, an adjective describe the quality of a noun or pronoun. In the same way, in the positive degree, there is also here a object of people will be described. Okay, there is no comparison involved, and there is no comparison involved. In this degree, there is no comparison involved. Therefore, that is also known as simplest form of degree, or you can say positive degree. Okay, for example, we can see here example. Just write down example. Just see the example. Also write down example. Astha is a weak girl. Weak girl. Dear students, in this sentence, the word weak is positive degree of comparison, or you can say that is positive degree, and there is no comparison involved. There is only one girl, Astha. We are not comparing Astha with anyone. Therefore, that is positive degree. Okay, if we are comparing with another girl, Astha is weaker. When in the next degree we will read it comparative, weaker than any other girl, then that would be the comparative degree. But here we are talking about the positive degree. Here we will see that there is no comparison involved. There is only the quality of Astha. What is that quality? That is, she is weak. Okay, so here the word weak denotes the positive degree. Okay, so just write down this. One more example you see. Suraj is a tall boy. Okay, students, here we are not comparing with anyone. Here we are also using the simplest form of degree, that is tall. There is no comparison. There is only one boy, Suraj. And what is the quality of that boy? That is tall. That he is tall. Therefore, in this sentence, the word weak is positive degree. In the another sentence, Suraj is a tall boy. In this sentence, the word tall is positive degree. Okay, students? So, just write it in your notebook. Now, we will discuss the another degree, that is comparative degree. I hope that you all have written what is positive degree. You all have understood there is no comparison involved. That is the simplest form of adjective. Okay, and there is no comparison involved. You only keep in your mind that in positive degree there is no comparison involved. That is simply an adjective. Okay, an example you have seen, that is positive degree. Okay, I am going to erase it. Now we will discuss the another degree, that is comparative degree. In the comparative degree, students, we compare one people or one thing with another people or another thing. Here two peoples are involved, two things are involved in this degree. Okay, just put the heading second. Just put the heading second, comparative degree. C-O-M-P-A-R-A, comparative degree. Just put the heading comparative degree. Just put the heading comparative degree. The comparative degree is used to compare. Just write down. First of all, I want to tell you what is comparative degree. Here, two peoples are two things involved. Okay? Here, two people are, we compare one people or one thing with another people or another thing. Okay? Just write down. The comparative degree just see here, students. The comparative degree is used to compare two people or two things. The comparative degree is used to compare two peoples or two things. Okay, students? Here in this degree of comparison, in the comparative degree, we compare two peoples or two things. And how do we form comparative degree? Dear students, I want to tell you orally. Here we add ER to the positive degree to make the comparative, and just after we use the word than for making comparison, for showing comparison between two things. For example, weak is there, weak is positive degree. Here we will add ER. It becomes what? It becomes weaker, and then after we will use than. For example, we can see Astha is weaker than Archana. Okay? So here the word weak is positive degree, and we added here the word ER, that is it becomes weaker, and we use here after that the word than. Okay, just see and write down. Just write down from the next line. To form a comparative degree, we add what do we add? ER. We add ER. Keep in your mind, we add ER. Or sometimes we do not add ER, sometimes we add MORE, more, before the positive degree. For example, beautiful, more beautiful. We cannot say beautifuler. There are some words in which we will not add ER, we will add the word more just before the positive degree. Okay? I will give you example, then you can understand very well. ER or more to the positive degree. To the positive degree. Okay, students, just see here. To form a comparative degree, we add ER or more to the positive degree. Okay? Now we will see the example. Just see the example. Just write down the example. Just see. Here we are writing Sanjeev. First example we will see. Sanjeev is tall is positive degree. Here we will add ER. It becomes taller. Sanjeev is taller. I have told you we will use than. The word than. Okay, Sanjeev is taller than Mohan. Okay, students, in this example we can see that there are two people involved, Sanjeev and Mohan, and here we are comparing two peoples, and we added here the word er to the positive degree tall. Here we have added er to the positive degree tall, and just after we have used here the word than to show the comparison between two people or two things. Okay students, so that is, here we are comparing two things, therefore that would be the what kind of degree? Comparative degree. Okay, Sanjeev is taller than Mohan. One more example you see. Astha is weak is positive degree. Here we will add er. It becomes weaker. Okay. And then after we will use than. Astha is weaker than Pooja. Just see here. Astha is weaker than Pooja. Here we are comparing two girls, Astha and Pooja, and here we have used er. We have added here er to show the comparison. Weak is positive degree, and how do we form the comparative degree? By adding er, by using the word than. Okay, so here we have added here er, it becomes weaker, and we have used here the word than. Now we can see here there are two girls are involved, and that would be the comparative degree. Astha is weaker than Pooja. Okay, one more example you see. Here we can see students, Julie is the name of a girl. Is here we are using students beautiful, the positive degree. Dear students, to compare with two girls, we will not add here er. We cannot say beautifuler. Okay, so just see here, Julie is more beautiful. Here we will use the word more. Okay, Julie is more beautiful than Ansika. Okay students, just see here. In this question, in this sentence, we are comparing two girls, and here we did not add er. Why? Because there are some words in which we will not add er. You have to keep in your mind that sometimes we add word more to show the comparison. Okay, I will tell you there are so many words that is in which we cannot add er to show the comparison. Okay, just see here, third example, Julie is more beautiful than Ansika. Okay students, so I hope that you all have understood what is comparative degree. In comparative degree, we compare two peoples, two things. Okay, and how do we form comparative degree? We generally, not always, generally we add er to the positive degree, and or sometimes we also use the word more to the positive degree to show the comparison between two things or two people. Example we have seen, Sanjeev is taller than Mohan, Astha is weaker than Pooja, and Julie is more beautiful than Ansika. Okay students, I hope that you all have understood. In the next class we will discuss the superlative degree. Okay students, whatever I have taught you, you just revise it and try to understand the things. Okay, in the next class we will discuss some more things. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.